This is biology of part 5, nutrition of plants. Daily you'll be attending this online class, so please subscribe our channel, then only you'll get notification what you're putting videos. Let us recall what we learned yesterday. We learned yesterday that heterotrophic plants is divided into 4 types. That is Saprotrophs, Insectivorous plants, parasitic plants and symbiotic plants. Yesterday we learned about that parasitic plants. You can quickly go ahead. Daily review 5. What are insectivorous plants that we are going to learn today? And what are parasitic plants? Plants that derive some or all their nutrition from another host plant are called parasitic plants. Parasitics harm their nutrition? The host plants? Yes, they harm their host by depriving the host of their nutrition. A parasitic plants with the yellow surrender and branch stem is Cuscuta. Today I am going to learn about insectivorous plants. When starting the class I said, what is insectivorous? Na? Today I am going to learn about insectivorous plants. See, these 4 pictures only I am going to learn about. First, we are going to learn Venus flytrap. I think so you already seen that cartoon channel. In that you see this Venus flytrap. It will be like plant. This is a Venus flytrap. When another is a picture plant, okay, and then sundew plants. These 3 plants only are going to learn today. Venus flytrap. Venus flytrap means any insect or any animal, small animal, is go inside to the Venus flytrap. It will close that. Then it will die and it will take nutrition and it will live it. Okay, and for example, like one frog is going inside it. It's a small animal, na? That is insect. I saw that. This is animal, small animal, frog is going inside. Then it's closed. That Venus trap is closed to like it's having like this and it's closing like this. Then pitcher plant. Pitcher plant is like this. When any insect is sitting in the pitcher plant, then that pitcher plant have one tiny hole. That tiny hole will absorb that insect and will take inside to the pitcher plant. Okay? See, like this, it's gone inside to that. Now sundew plants. When any insect is sitting in sundew plants, it will roll that. It will roll it. See how it. See one insect is sitting there, and that small tiny holes are there, na? Like poles. Tiny poles, like in hibiscus, there is a tiny poles, na? Like that only here also having. It will close that insect and it will roll it. See, I roll it. It is rolled. This is sundew plants. Today I am going to learn about Saprotrophs also. See the mode of nutrition. Heterotrophs is a third. Okay? Third, in that Saprotrophs is third. Think. Why do you think ghost plants and mushrooms are autotrophs? Why it's not autotrophs? Is it autotroph? No. Ghost plants and mushrooms are not autotrophs because they do not have leaves, and so they cannot make their own food, and it does not have any green leaves and cannot make any photosynthesis. When any plant have a chlorophyll, that green pigment, then only now photosynthesis will process. How these two are autotrophs? They are heterotrophs. Yes, saprotrophs. These are saprotrophic plants. They obtain nutrition from dead and decaying plants and animals matter. These will come and they make their own food by the dead and decaying plants and matter. Okay, sapro means rotten and troph means nourishment or nutrition. The roots of saprotrophic plants often contain fungi. You already hear that fungi. Some of the bacteria. This is a fungi. See that mushrooms have that. Then in that root, the mushroom root have a fungi. Fungi are not plants but are a different type of living organisms. Mushrooms are an example of fungi. See, this is a fungi or saprotroph. How do saprotrophs obtain nutrition? Fungi convert decaying matter into nutrition that can be used as food by plants. See, other modes of nutrition of plants. See, just read it. We can read it and we can answer some questions. Parasitic plants. Parasitic plants derive some or all other nutrition from another host plants. They develop roots which penetrate roots into stem or the root of the host plants and absorb the nutrients. They deprive the host plants of valuable nutrition, slowing down in the growth. Then insectivorous plants. Today we learn that insectivorous. Insectivorous is an example of Venus flytrap and sundew plants like Morel. Then picture plant. You know already when any plant is going inside that, it will trap in that and it will take a nutrition and it will live. That's it. Saprotroph is a fungi. That mushroom is a fungi example that you know already. Then read it. It's easy. I'll show. Read this saprotroph also. And you can answer some questions. Okay. The Venus flytrap is green and can perform photosynthesis. So why does that depend on insect for nutrition? The Venus flytrap can perform photosynthesis, but it grows in the areas where the soil is poor in nutrition. See, the Venus flytrap will grow in that soil so poor nutrition. The nutrition should be a poor condition. Poor condition means only the Venus flytrap will grow in that condition only. So it requires additional nutrition which it gets from insects. How do saprotrophic plants obtain nutrition? The roots of saprotrophic plants contain fungi which convert decaying matter into nutrition that can be used by the plants. Then the 4.5 fill in the blanks. Now this is your answer. Okay. For this I'll give only 50 seconds times. What? 50 seconds. Your 50 seconds starts now. Your 50 seconds up, friends. Let's recheck our answer. Insectivorous plants are partially depend on other organisms for food, and saprotrophs get their nutrition from dead and decaying matter. An example of saprotroph is fungi. Okay, today we end of our class. Today we learn about insectivorous plants and saprotrophs. Insectivorous have 3 plants, that is Venus flytrap plant and pitcher plant and symbiotic. Okay, and we learn about that another plant also, saprotroph plants. Mushroom is an example of fungi. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye. Happy learning.